Hi, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to manage your Google Drive folders that are associated with Google Classroom. So just keep in mind that when you archive and delete a class in Google Classroom, it does not remove the folders in Google Drive. So in my previous video, I archived and I deleted a classroom called EOY. And as you can see, it is not listed here on my class card page. However, if I go over to Google Drive, and I go into the classroom folder, this is the main classroom folder, I will see all of the classes that I created in Google Drive. And here is my EOY class that I just deleted. You can see that the folder didn't delete when I deleted it from Google Classroom. So you need, if you don't want anything in that folder, you can simply click on the folder and hit delete. A word of caution is you really want to be sure that you want to delete the drive folder, and also make sure you do not delete this classroom folder that is in your My Drive. So make sure this folder does not get deleted. This folder is associated with Google Classroom. When you click on that folder, all of your classes that you created in Google Classroom will show up. And these are all subfolders. Any one of these subfolders that you don't need, you can simply click on it and you can delete it. I hope you found this screencast helpful.